Alright, so the stain is looking lame, honestly. This is the yellow. Can you even see a difference? This is raw. This is the yellow with white paint. This is the purple with white paint. This is purple without white paint. I think we need to really get some bright white paint, whitewash going with some different vibrant colors. So that's the jam. So let's see what kind of paints we got in the box stock. We must got a little bit of that left and a little bit of this left. Let's see what we got here. Ah, yes. Yes. That's a nice color. Oh, there's none left. Okay. Oh, there's none left of that either, really. Okay. We got some black, we got some red. Red's nice. Yellow's nice. What else we got? Ooh. Bingo.
Are we also gonna do a white even?
White?
Yeah.
I don't think white. Let's definitely do this magenta though. Ooh, this turquoise is gorgeous. All right, here's our 11 different colors that we're going to stain the wood with. I don't know if we're gonna Roy G. Biv it. I kind of feel like maybe mixing it up. Something like this. Let's give them all one more quick stir. All right, let's do it. Nice. The paint gives it like another layer of protection too, which is a bonus.
So you're painting one side and then doing the other side after the first side is dry?
Yeah. My thought was do the other side a different color?
Oh.
All right, we got all of them colored on the front side. Now some of the back side is going to be showing when it's on the gate. So I want to do the back side a slightly different color, or a very different color, just for fun.
At the 1997 Mac Ops Explain, when you think about focus on one thing, you should
Hallelujah! Got them all stained, different color on every side, because we'll be able to see through the different spots and it'll just make it all the more colorful and dynamic. So boom, baby. Now it's time to protect it, seal it with some linseed oil, and then get it back up on the gate. It's gonna be so satisfying. Let's jam. love having the sun shine on the finishing process because you can really see every part of what has been treated and what would like some more attention with that reflection. That's great. Can really see in this lighting how burning the wood gives it these beautiful grooves because it burns away the soft part and leaves each layer of the wood that dense part. It's really gorgeous. We only burn this once, but if we were to burn this like 3 times, 4 times, just develop more of the character in the wood. Wow, I just love how these colors turned out on all the wood. So beautiful. Still see the grains, got that nice bright, vibrant hue, just like I wanted. I don't know about this one. This one looks kind of poopy. Can't have the poppy without the poopy. Well, in this case you could, but I like it. All right, we smothered these beauties in linseed oil. We're gonna let it soak in and dry out, and then we're gonna add it to the gate. My hands look so cool right now. Initially we were gonna go like all burnt cedar, Shusugi style, and then we got a hair up our and decided to color everything. So we might as well do the same for the main gate frame. Let's kind of like sand it down and make it colorful because we'll be able to see it a little bit. So might as well add the same kind of flavor to that, you know? Let's do it. Okay, one extended lunch break later. We've got just a bit of sunset light. Let's put these puppies into motion. Oh my God, they feel so good and wet. Ooh, okay. Let's do it. Whoa, you're good at that. You an actress?
Yes.
So this is where I'm at with getting the wood up. I realized I was perhaps getting ahead of myself and wanted to add this wire reinforcement like I did to that one. That's what's going on. Thank you. Key grip. That's pretty tight. Nice and tight here.